In this extraordinary journey inside the human body, we begin with something incredibly simple: a single glass of fresh, golden mango juice. The person lifts the glass slowly, the sunlight glistening through the liquid, revealing the rich color, the natural sweetness, and the pure essence of mango. With one calm breath, they take a sip, unaware of the magnificent biological story that is about to unfold within them. The moment the juice touches the tongue, the miracle of digestion begins. Taste buds awaken instantly, sending signals to the brain, identifying the sweet, fruity flavor. In response, the salivary glands release streams of saliva. This saliva isn't just moisture, it contains enzymes like amylase, tiny molecular tools designed to break down natural sugars. Even during this first moment, the body begins to unlock energy from the mango. As the person swallows, the juice travels toward the pharynx, beginning its descent through the esophagus. The esophagus is not just a tube, it's a dynamic, muscular pathway. Watch closely as the walls ripple in synchronized waves, pushing the mango juice downward through a process known as peristalsis. This wave-like contraction is one of the most beautifully coordinated movements inside the human body, guiding the juice smoothly toward the next destination. Now, the juice enters the stomach, a powerful muscular organ where the real transformation begins. The stomach is a warm, acidic chamber filled with hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes like pepsin. The moment the juice arrives, the stomach walls begin to contract, mixing the juice with these powerful fluids. Even though mango juice is already liquid, the stomach works carefully, breaking it down into an even more digestible form. Here, the nutrients begin to break apart, preparing to be absorbed into the bloodstream. But this is only the beginning of the adventure. Slowly, the partially digested juice moves through a small valve into the small intestine, the longest and most important part of the digestive system. If the stomach is a powerful machine, then the small intestine is a delicate masterpiece of biology. Inside this long, twisting pathway, millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi and microvilli line the walls. These structures create an enormous surface area, allowing the body to absorb as many nutrients as possible. Under this transparent visualization, we can see the mango juice spreading across these structures, releasing vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural sugars. Each nutrient molecule is absorbed into the bloodstream, where it travels to different organs. Natural sugars providing energy to muscles and brain. Vitamin C boosting the immune system. Antioxidants protecting the body from damage. Minerals supporting countless biochemical reactions. With every second, the body grows stronger, nourished by the essence of the mango juice. As the journey continues, the remaining liquid moves into the large intestine. The large intestine works like the body's recycling unit. It absorbs water, maintaining hydration and balance. The leftover components begin to solidify, slowly transforming into waste that the body will eventually eliminate. This final stage is just as important as the beginning, ensuring that the body stays clean, balanced, and efficient. From the very first sip to the final movement through the digestive system, this entire process is a breathtaking symphony of biology, complex yet perfectly organized, powerful yet delicate. Digestive enzymes, muscular movements, nutrient absorption, hydration control, every part works in harmony. What we usually never see, today we witness in stunning, transparent clarity. A single sip of mango juice travels through a world of constant motion, a world of microscopic machinery, a world of transformation and life. This is the human body, a masterpiece of engineering, a miracle of nature, and a story happening inside each of us, every moment, with every breath, and with every sip we take.